Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Kingswood today, although there's a couple of things in the bag there that came from somewhere else and seem to have got missed out of my charity shop videos. So let's see if I can identify them by feel first. Yeah, that's one of them. Yep, and that's the other. Okay, so this one, I think it was in a 50p drawer. I bought it because it's a Scalextrics and they have nice motors in them. Obviously they're designed to run on 12 volts, so they're nice little motors. Far more important to me than the fact it's a Scalextrics car, because it'll be just for bits. So that was for the motor, and then this one, I do have quite a collection of these, so there'll be a link in the video description to them. They're air-powered cars made by Grandad. This one cost me 49p. Grandad Toys 2006. They've got a little plastic bottle in there, air canister. You pump it up by pushing air in there, and then you give it a flick, and it's got an air engine in there. I just happen to have a pump handy, so we'll just give a quick demo. If I don't waffle for too long, I might actually give you a proper demo on the kitchen floor, but pump a bit of air into it. I did notice this hasn't got the original tyres on it, or if it has, they're not in position properly. Anyway, so it's got some air in it. You give it a little flick, or you push it forwards to get it going, and once it's going, the flywheel effect keeps the motor running. They're fascinating. Tom Stanton did a good video where he tried to make a air engine powered aeroplane. I do actually have an air engine powered aeroplane, but he was trying to do it from 3D printing it from scratch. I think I've got a link to that in the playlist that I'll link to for this, my air engine cars. Anyway, that's enough waffle there. Okay, next, alright, another car. Now I bought this 50p. It's one of those ones, it just goes round and round on Flexitrack, I think it's called. I did have some. I've actually given it all to a charity shop. Needs a battery in it. Oh, I say it needs a battery. There's just enough power in there to get it running, but it should have LEDs lighting up. And it does need a clean. I can see there's hair under there. But if we just swap that battery to one that's actually got some power. I do get through a lot of batteries one way or another. It's reasonable. Let's see if we've got a good one. That one's only reasonable. Well, I think these are the ones I've taken out of the Christmas automata. Right, so that should go in there. Yeah, you've got lights now. Back in. Yeah, I need to take it apart because there's hair under there, which is going to be slowing it down. Screw back in. I did have a comment on one of my old videos. I did a teardown on one of these types and somebody was having problems getting their LEDs to light up. So, but yeah, there we go. You've got lights at the front, lights at the back, and they've got very low gearing, so they do keep going really well. and you can have your Flexitrack going up and down hills and things like that. As I said, I've given all mine away. I only bought this because I had this question about it. So I'll probably do a tear down of this one, just so we can have a look inside. Right, so that's that. Next, I bought this, I just couldn't resist buying it. It won't mean much to many people in the world, and it will mean something to some other people. It's a jigsaw. Did I see 200 pieces? 280 pieces. MB puzzle. But it's the European Economic Community. The European Economic Community, EEC, which predates, well, Brexit as it is now, that everybody's talking about. Actually, I think most people are bored talking about it by now. But I spotted that in the charity shop, 99p, and I thought, I've got to buy that just for the fun of it. So we'll put that together in a video at some time. Just have a look along the bottom there. This is just so you know how to recognise somebody when you're out in the street. A French man has a stripy shirt and a French stick, a long piece of bread. West German, a pretty skirt. Netherlands, oh, they always have sort of hats that look like horns, or hair that looks like horns. Belgium, they wear a smock. United Kingdom, they always have a bowler hat and a briefcase. Italy, a pretty lady in a dress. Luxembourg, a lady in a dress with a white apron. Ireland, Tammy Shanter hat, and I was going to say a skirt. It's not a skirt, is it? Denmark, standing on a stone for some reason. Spain, Hispana, wearing a cape, I suppose. Portugal, flat hat. Greece, I think that is. A man with a, that's not a skirt either, is it? Shepherd's crook. Turkey. Can't quite make out what they're wearing. Got a handbag of some sort. So I've probably insulted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 countries by getting it all wrong. Anyway, yeah, I've been doing jigsaws on my other channel just to keep it ticking over when I'm not doing anything else. Right, so what's left? 2 more things. We'll do this one first. You probably know that I like my wooden kits. Spotted this one, £1.99 in Age UK charity shop. I don't like paying £1.99, I like to pay £1, but this is a bigger kit, so I suppose £1.99 is okay. The bigger ones I tend to take on holiday with us to do when I've got nothing else to do in the evening, because I can't do my normal video editing and that sort of thing, because my wife's laptop, which we take on holiday, is not very powerful. That's a genuine woodcraft construction kit. They make lots of different ones. Reference number P043. If you find their website, they've usually got videos on how to actually assemble them. And then finally, I think that's final, yeah, last one. I do like wooden automata. And that's what this is. It's a timber kit. So I've done a few timber kits as well. In fact, there's one on the table from the previous charity shop gold or garbage video, £1.99, that's been on the table because I've been intending to do it one evening and I haven't done it yet. So this one, it calls it a, where was it? Oh, flat bits, because it's made from flat pieces of wood. I've never seen one before. I don't think they're new or anything, I just haven't seen one myself. This one is the monkey, which I would guess is that one. I've no idea how many parts actually move on it. Won't know until we assemble it. But that should be another quiet evening or a holiday job. So there, that's my charity shop gold or garbage. Today is the Tuesday the 16th of January, and that lot all came from Kingswood, and those two came from somewhere else that I can't remember at the moment. They may well have been Kingswood as well, but on a different visit. So there. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.